Hello, today I will be making another coding math video. This time on Recursion-1, problem factorial. The problem reads, given n of 1 or more, return the factorial of n, which is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 all the way to 1. Compute the result recursively without loops. So I think I should explain what a recursion is. A recursion is when you call a method inside of a method, a function inside of a function, so that it will constantly loop until you reach a certain breakpoint. N is just the input number that they give us, and so let's look at this first one. They gave us the number 1 as their n, and that returned 1, which is because 1 times all the way to 1, so it'll just start at 1, which will just return 1 because the minimum value that it can be is 1. The recursive number of 2 would be 2 because 2 times 2 minus 1 is 2 times 1, which is 2 times 1 is which is just 2, so that would be 2. And 3 would be 6 because 3 times 3 minus 1 times 3 times 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 2 would be 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So, yeah. So our first thing we would do is check if n equals 1. Then we would just automatically return 1 because we know that 1 is going to be the minimum value. So if it starts at 1, then we can just, like, that's our base case, we can just return 1. Else if, now we put, or no, we don't even need to put an else if. Now the only other thing we do would be to return n times factorial n minus 1. And if we run that, it should give us all the correct answers. So thank you.